Enjoying a cup of coffee along with a light, delicious treat that can be made in your very own kitchen would be great. Well, here at Aside Guy Cooks, we've got you covered with Breton Cookies. So let's get started. First, let's prepare the wet ingredients. And now let's prepare those dry ingredients. Let's build the cookies. Set your timer for 15 minutes. And as always, ovens do vary. Breton cookies are a part of the Sable cookie family. They appeared as early as 1670 in Brittany, France. Breton cookies are thicker, richer, and a bit saltier than other French shortbreads. They're also known for their distinctive cross-hatch pattern found on top of the cookies. The Breton cookie reflects the region's geography, traditions, and long-standing butter-rich culture, resulting in the iconic crumbly, buttery biscuit enjoyed globally. They look great right out of the oven. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Let's get a few on a plate, and of course, let's try one. Wow, these melt-in-your-mouth cookies are crisp on the outside, tender inside, and bursting with deep caramelized butter flavor. Perfect for coffee, tea time, dessert platters, gifting, or parties. Everybody will absolutely love them. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment or question below. And as always, the complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Now that is a great coffee companion. Stay with us, watch these videos.